All right. So the Windows Screensaver. So Windows Screensaver kind of behaves exactly how it sounds like it would. It allows you to set Rise Vision as a screensaver on a Windows device. So when the screen goes idle on that device, it automatically launches Rise Player and your content as a screensaver. So instead of a blank screen or the default Windows screensaver, your digital signage starts showing after it shows an idle period. This is great for Windows devices that are in meeting rooms or in classrooms. So think on some of the new interactive flat panels that are popular in education. A lot of those manufacturers are moving to an OPS model where you have a slot PC that plugs in rather than an onboard Android computer. So if you're going a Windows route with that, you can use the Windows screensaver in Rise Vision.